There is a place in the cosmos so empty, so vast, so silent, that a civilization born inside it might never realize the universe exists. They would look up at night and see stars, their galaxy, their tiny island of light, and they would believe that was everything. They would be wrong by 100 billion galaxies, and they might never know it. This place is real. We have found it, mapped it, and named it, the Boötes Void. It is a colossal region of almost empty space, roughly 300 million light-years across, sitting about 700 million light-years from Earth. To understand how empty that is, you have to understand how crowded the universe normally is. Galaxies are not sprinkled evenly through space. They gather in clusters, stretch into filaments, and form the cosmic web, vast rivers of light connecting galaxy after galaxy across the dark. In a normal region this large, astronomers would expect thousands of galaxies. Inside the Boötes Void, we have found only around 60 galaxies, scattered across a cosmic desert where there should be thousands. If galaxies were people, the Boötes Void would be a continent-sized wasteland with only a few dozen souls spread across the whole thing, each one so far from the others that they might never see the next. It was discovered in 1981, and almost immediately, astronomers began asking a terrifying question. What if we lived there? Imagine intelligent life rising on a planet near the center of the void. They build cities, invent science, create telescopes, and turn them toward the night. At first, they see what we see: their own sun, their own planets, their own galaxy full of stars. But beyond that, darkness. No Andromeda, no nearby galaxies glowing in the distance, no deep-field sky packed with ancient light, no visible cosmic web, no obvious evidence that the universe is filled with other islands of stars. For most of their history, they might believe their galaxy was the entire universe. Not because they were foolish, but because the universe would hide the truth from them. Their loneliness would not be emotional. It would be measurable, mathematical, built into the structure of space itself. One astronomer once suggested that a civilization near the center of the Boötes Void might not discover other galaxies until very late in its technological age. Think about what that means. No nearby galaxies to humble them. No vast cosmic ocean to make them feel small. No obvious reason to ask if they are alone, because the answer would seem settled. Yes, they would think they were alone, and they would think that was normal. But the Boötes Void is not just a distant place, it is a mirror, because our own universe is expanding, and that expansion is accelerating. On the largest scales, galaxies are being carried away from us faster and farther with time. In the deep future, every galaxy beyond our local group will slip beyond the cosmic horizon. Not destroyed, not erased, just unreachable, and eventually invisible. Trillions of years from now, a civilization in the Milky Way may look up and see only local stars. No distant galaxies, no cosmic web, no evidence of the universe we see today. They will look into darkness and believe their island of stars is all that ever existed. They will become the Boötes Void. So maybe the void is not just the loneliest place in the universe. Maybe it is a warning about time, about how rare this moment is, while the lights are still on and the neighbors are still visible. Right now, we can still see other galaxies. Right now, the universe still reveals itself. But someday, someone may look into a perfectly empty sky and never know what vanished. So here is the question. If your civilization saw no other galaxies, would you ever discover the truth? Or would you believe you were always alone? Tell me in the comments. Because the most terrifying thing about being alone in the universe is that you might never know you were.